Let's look at Chapter 7, Lesson 2, Practice, Exploring Fractions Greater than 1. For the problems on this page, 1 hexagon is 1. So let's look at number 1, and I have it cut up into 6 pieces. So I know that my denominator is 6, and 3 pieces are shaded. I need to reduce. I know that 3 goes into both numbers. 1 and 3 goes into 3 one time, and 3 goes into 6 2 times. I can also clearly see that it's cut in half. Let's look at number 2. I have a full shaded 1, so I can put 1 full shaded 1, and then I have 2 out of 6 shaded. The 1 stays the same, but I know 2 6 can be reduced because 2 goes into both. 2 goes into 2 one time, and 2 goes into 6 3 times. Let's look at number 3. My denominator is going to be how many pieces there are all together, which is 6, and my numerator is how many are shaded, which is 4. I know that can be reduced because 2 goes into 4 2 times, and 2 goes into 6 3 times. Number 4, I can tell that the whole thing is shaded, and it's 1 full 1. Number 5, I have 2 full shaded ones, and then I have 1 piece out of 6 right here. Now that cannot be reduced any further because 1 is the lowest number, and 1 goes into 1 one time, and it goes into 6 6 times, so it would stay the same. Number 6, I have 1 full 1, and then I have 3 6 shaded, so 3 out of 6. I know that 1's going to stay the same, but 3 goes into 3 one time, and 3 goes into 6 2 times, so it's a half. You need to make sure that you are reducing your fractions to the lowest possible terms. Let's look at the test prep. Which shape is exactly 1/3 of the size of this shape? Well, the first thing that I want to do is cut this shape into 3 because I know that this needs to have 3 full pieces. And if I cut it right here, the pieces are equal. Now I just want 1/3 of it. So I'm looking for something that looks like that. Letter B does. Number 8, Sandra used a ruler to make the list of numbers. 1, 2, 5, 10, 7. What number comes next? Well, I don't notice any multiplying or dividing, so I need to be thinking about adding or subtracting. So I'm just going to see what's the difference in between each number. Between 1 and 2 is 1. Between 2 and 5 is going to be 3. Between 5 and 10 is going to be 5. Between 10 and 17 is going to be 7. If I look here, I'm counting up with odd numbers. I have 1, 3, 5, 7. My next odd number is going to be 9. So 17 plus 9 is going to be 26. Make sure that you have some work so I see how you got your rule.